Hello everyone, I'm here with an amazing new interesting case study regarding Google Ads account which was suspended for multiple reasons. So if your Google Ads account has ever been suspended, then you have to watch this video in full, because in this video I will reveal one name of a case study of a client whose Google Ads account was being suspended and how we were able to restore it. So the first thing first, what you needed to know is that compliance is necessary with Google Ads. You cannot rule out this possibility. However, the majority of the people make mistakes when they are doing the compliance and they do not know the compliance it, and in short story they actually stop promoting it, but in long story you can promote your product by doing the compliance. So over here, the scenario over here was the client had an issues previous history of multiple Google Ads which account being suspended. So when the case assigned to us, what we did was we did a thorough review of the website speed, mobile speed, page speed, compliance errors on the website, some it's a usually it's a wording issue, sometimes it's a lack of privacy policy about our speech, sometimes it's a disclaimer issue. So what we did, we studied the competitors on how they're running the ads, and comparison of their website plus our own website, plus we have so far a 160 plus checklist to ensure that your website is compliant to run your ads with the Google. So in either Google Ads suspension case, that the compliance is very important. So once we did sorted out all of the issues on the website, we did a test campaign on our Google Ads account. So because we do not wanted our client to get into trouble, and we do not wanted their account to get suspended again, so we had to run on our own account. So as a Google partner, we have been sorting out all of these issues. So when this case is came the case arrived to us, we provided him with an account, and I'm going to show you this was the first error which we got it on the account. And the client was very worried, like, oh, what happened? And we told them that your account is suspended for suspicious payment behavior in the payment activity of your account, and you have to submit the appeal to get it sorted. After this, we did the appeal. We sorted out all the issues, provided documentation list, the comparator list, everything, plus the compliance thing. So this was the appeal over here. And then after this, there was an update on our appeal, and that our team completed a review of your account based on your detailed appeal. Great news, your appeal was successful. As long as there are no existing violations, your ad should resume service within 24 hours. But the story do not end over here, because it goes continue over here. After this, we got an email that your Google Ads account has been reactivated. And after this, when we tried running the ad over here, so what happened was there was a new suspension on the account, and your Google Ads has been suspended for violating our circumventing system policy over here. So circumventing system policy, it means that your website is actually deceiving the final users, or sometimes it's like the Google bot is seeing the different website, and in reality you are showing your users a different website. So there can be many reasons for your website being called for circumventing system, but it is one of the most difficult errors to get it sorted. Again, I told you, in any case you can win them with the Google if your compliance is being done. We know how to do the compliance, plus as the Google partner we have a dedicated support, so we use all the channels. We use the chat support, we use the email, we use the call to get the account restored. So you can see over here, this is an issue regarding the circumventing. And after this, what we did was we got it sorted again, that your account has been reactivated again, but then it went into suspension again, and that was for advertiser verification. We can help you in advertiser verification. And because the client has an history of old suspended account, and he was concerned like his details are already being shared on a suspended account, and uploading new one will cause an issue. But guys, if you use our own account, we can help sorting out all of these issues. So yeah, this was a scenario with our client, and then we help them with the same documents. And then you can see over here that the account is now a verified advertiser over here. You can see over here as well, the account is now verified and no longer and then it again went into suspension for suspicious, but we got it restored. You can see over here that the account has been reactivated. And if I'm going to show you over here that I'm going to refresh in front of you guys, so you can see that the account is no longer in the suspension stage. And if I'm going to open in front of you guys, you can see over here that the account is unsuspended. So you can see over here, this is another successful case study regarding Google Ads account which was being suspended. So in case if you need help for Google Ads management, Google Ads account being suspended, Google Ads being disapproved, Google Merchant Center disapproved, or need help with landing page, web development, SEO, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And we will love to work with you and sort out all of these issues. So I hope you like this amazing case study. And again, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. And we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.